Hi. Um, it is the presentation of second assignment of mobile app development. Um, I have created this application using React Native, and as IDE, I used Visual Studio Code. And to implement the API part, Google location part, I used geolocation API. And to show the location on the map, I used Map View, React Native Map View library. And for the image and video upload, I uses React Native Image Picker, and to share it on Instagram, I use React Native Share, and for the database, I use SQLite. The benefits of React Native are this is a cross-platform compatible. Actually, while practicing, I feel like while implementing, I feel like it is not that compatible. Like I had an emulator, it was not showing it very good in that emulator, but it was working good in my mobile, and I was keeping on testing on Android. So it is quite compatible, but not all the time. It is not that easy. Then other is that net performance, and it is hot reloading. Like you can easily reload the change without restarting the all implementation. I am a user who was working on Oracle ADF previously, so whenever I did any change, I have to rerun all the code to get the implementation of the change. But in React Native, you can do it like just save and just refresh the page. And there is large community and ecosystem to get help from. Like you can get a lot of YouTube videos, a lot of blogs about how to work with the React Native. So it is easy to get information from that. And it is a reusable component. Like I was not using it, but it is the benefit of using the React Native. Like if you create a code for the Android, you can use it for iOS or web application. So for Apple phone as well. So it is a reusable code, and it is simplified development process, and it is cost effective because you can create multiple application for multiple devices from the same code. And if we will talk about the step-by-step implementation of the required task, firstly it was locate that you should locate yourself into Google Maps. So for that purpose, I use geolocation API, which will allow me to locate myself on platform of Google. And we needed an API key. We are using this API key for previous projects as well, in the mobile development and the previous in the previous semester, the previous term. And it will return the location in longitude and latitude, which I will show in the video, that I am showing as a text in before above the video, above the map. And it is which I am using as a parameter into the function passing to map view. And in React Native map library, we're using the map view, and it will take the longitude and latitude to identify myself on the map. Then the other part was to upload the picture and the video. So for that purpose, I have used the React Native image picker library. It can launch in which we use the launch camera function, and we can launch it into the photo mode, image mode, or the video mode. So separate functions are created for that purpose. To upload the image, it will save the image URI as the image, and the other for the video, it will save the image in the video. And then we have used the React Native Share to upload this picture or the video into the Instagram. I can share it as a message, like I will show in my video that I shared it as a message on Instagram. Then what was the learning curve? Actually, I already have an experience of JavaScript and React, so it was easy to use React Native. And it was first time when I was implementing it on mobile app development. So there were some difficulties, like I didn't have an idea of the libraries which I need to use, and uh, like creating the apk file. It was a challenge for me, quite challenging. It took a lot of time, and I already in the class people have discussed the issue which I was facing, like it takes a lot of time when the it is working on emulator. And after generating the apk file, it can be installed in the mobile to run the application on phone. I have that apk file. I have tried to upload it into the Google Play Store as well. If I will be able to upload it into 1 or 2 days, I will provide the link for the Google Play App Store as well into the report. If I would not be able to, then this video maybe will be enough to show how it is working. And it is the video which I made from my mobile. If it is running, let me check. Okay, yeah, in this video you can see that it is the location, and it is showing my location. It is the location of my place where I'm sitting, and it is showing the longitude and latitude. You can see in the text value, and then upload image, and by using the camera, sorry, it's me. Yes, here you have the option to save it to database or to share now, and I am sharing it onto my Instagram. I shared as a text message to my sister, and you can see here that you sent a photo. Okay, and back to the app. Here I can write a comment with the picture, like I forgot to add it earlier, so I added it later just to show that comment can be added as well. Now for uploading video, I can use upload using camera. Okay, and it will directly take you towards the video, and see, we can get the video, and then we can upload this video by clicking the share now button. And on the Instagram, I'm again sending it to my friend sister only, so because I don't want to publish it on Instagram. And now the last thing was to save the database. Like, see, my picture is saved with the database with the longitude and the latitude. Till now, I have an issue, like when I do not upload a picture, I get an error message without uploading. Like if it is null value, then if I will go to the DB part, then it will give the message that null pointer exception type. But I can fix it easily, so it is the last thing which I need to fix. Rest of the application is in front of you, so you can check it. Thank you.